What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a problem we've all faced, leftover burritos. But fear not, my food waste warriors, because I've got 5 mind-blowing recipes that'll transform those sad burritos into culinary masterpieces. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, for this first leftover burrito magic trick, we're starting the day off right with a burrito breakfast casserole. First, grab those sad-looking burritos from your fridge, chop them up into bite-sized pieces. Whisk together 6 eggs, a splash of milk, salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Stir in those chopped burritos, some diced onions, bell peppers, maybe even some leftover sausage. Pour the whole shebang into a greased baking dish, top it off with shredded cheese, and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until it's golden brown and bubbly. Next up, we're going for maximum cheesy, crispy goodness with a burrito quesadilla. This one's so easy, it should be illegal. Grab a large flour tortilla. That's your base. Spread your leftover burrito evenly across half of the tortilla. Sprinkle on some extra cheese. Fold that tortilla in half, creating a giant half moon of deliciousness. Heat up a skillet over medium heat and place that bad boy right on the pan. Cook for about 2-3 minutes per side, or until it's golden brown and crispy. Slice it up and get ready for the ultimate crunch wrap experience. Chapter 3, Burrito Soup. Dive into a flavor bomb. Okay, soup lovers, this one's for you. We're turning those leftover burritos into a steaming bowl of comfort with burrito soup. Heat up some olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté some chopped onions, garlic, and your favorite veggies. I'm going with corn and black beans. Crumble in your leftover burrito and let it sizzle with the veggies for a few minutes. Pour in some chicken or vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, then simmer for about 15 minutes. Ladle it up into bowls, top it with some sour cream, avocado, maybe a sprinkle of cilantro, and get ready for a flavor bomb. Chapter 4, Burrito Nachos, the epic nacho mountain. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get messy in the best way possible with burrito nachos. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Pile on a layer of tortilla chips. Crumble your leftover burrito over the chips, ensuring every chip gets some love. Sprinkle on a generous amount of shredded cheese. Get creative with the toppings. Black olives, diced tomatoes, jalapenos, maybe even some leftover salsa or guacamole. Pop that nacho masterpiece in the oven for about 10-15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the chips are starting to brown. Chapter 5. Burrito Stuffed Peppers. Flavor fiesta in a pepper. For our final leftover burrito transformation, we're going for a colorful and flavorful fiesta with burrito stuffed peppers. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice your bell peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and membranes. Mix your leftover burrito with some cooked rice, black beans, corn, and your favorite spices. Stuff those pepper halves with this delicious mixture, making sure they're nice and full. Place them in a baking dish. Add a splash of water to the bottom of the dish and cover it tightly with foil. Bake for about 30 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for another 15 minutes, or until the peppers are tender and the filling is heated through. Sprinkle on some cheese during the last few minutes of baking for extra gooey goodness. Dinner is served. Outro leftover burrito challenge complete. There you have it, guys. 5 epic ways to transform those leftover burritos into culinary masterpieces. No more food waste, just pure deliciousness. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on another epic food challenge. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out!